In the golden light of the savanna, a king and queen watched over their future. But darkness has a color. The red phantom struck from nowhere, stealing their heart in an instant. A father's rage knows no bounds. He chased the beast to the edge of the roaring river. But this enemy was unlike any other. The king was broken. Desperate, the mother sought the only power that could save them. She called to the ancient guardian. And the earth answered. The Titan had arrived. Red fury clashed with prehistoric power. The beast was tossed aside like a rag doll. Reunited under the shadow of the giant, they learned that day, even kings need a protector.
In a primeval world where giants roamed, an ancient rivalry played out.